Good day, everyone. I will discuss the areas of caution for massage therapy. First is face, eyes, temporal, TMJ, forehead. The second is anterior triangle of neck, carotid artery, jugular veins, cranial nerves, and lymph nodes. The third is anterior cervical, hide bone, thyroid gland, and cartilage external, notch, and trachea. The fourth is axilla. Here. Axilla artery, vein nerves of brachial plexus, and cephalic vein. The fifth one is clavicle. Here, nerves of brachial plexus and lymph nodes. One is antecubital fossa. Here, radial nerves, median nerves, and brachial artery. Next is brachial region here. Brachial artery, basilic, and brachial veins, and lymph nodes nerves. Next is sip hold process here. Sip hold process of lower sternum. Next is abdomen umbilicus. Here, redirect. Many vulnerable structure. Next is anterior rest. Here, look the back. Radial artery, nerve, median nerve, ulnar nerve, and artery. Next is suprapubic region, urinary bladder, intestine, lymph nodes, major blood vessel. Next is femoral triangle, femoral vein, and artery nerves. Next is medial thigh, branches of obturator artery, nerves, common femoral artery. Next is anterior knee and head of fibula, patella meniscus. Next is anterior knee and head of fibula, patella meniscus, ligaments common, fibular nerve. Next is medial and lateral malleoli, tibial nerves, posterior tibial artery, vein, and nerves. Next is suboccipital region here. Occipital and suboccipital arteries and nerves. Next is posterior triangle of neck, roots of brachial plexus, subclavian artery, vein, jugular vein, and CNXI, lymph nodes. Next is lower thoracic, kidneys, and lower ribs. Next is cubital tunnel, ulnar ulnar nerve. Next is sacrum and coccyx-tailbone nerves, and popliteal fossa, popliteal artery, vein, tibial nerves, and artery cruciate ligaments.